Okay, I'm going to make a video for error that comes up from time to time. If you click the call button in your app and nothing happens, the first thing you want to check are your phone settings. This is where you would do this on an Android device. Go to General, Apps and Notifications, App Permissions. Okay, and we're working with the phone, so we want to look in the phone section here. And scrolling for the app, we're looking at Digital Mall, and if you notice, phone permissions here is off on Digital Mall. Okay, so I'm going to turn that back on. Go out. If you want to double check that it's saved, you can check again if you like. Still on. So now go back to the app to be sure it's working. Okay, seems to be stuck in a strange place, so go back. And voila, it's fixed. There you go.